Everyone thinks the best-selling nut milk maker is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ian Oru's Juicer Machine. The Ian Oru's juicer machines caught my eye right away, especially with its impressive capacity of 100 Oz and versatility as a 3-in-1 machine. Priced at $149.99, it's positioned as a solid option for anyone serious about homemade nut milk. If you want a reliable, multifunctional machine that covers your juicing and nut milk needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ian Oru's features a mega-wide 6.5-inch chute, meaning you can toss in whole fruits without the hassle of chopping. This saves time, which is crucial on busy mornings. Plus, it's equipped with a whisper-quiet AC motor, ensuring you can whip up your nut milk without waking the whole house. With over 1,700 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that people are loving this machine. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation, which can be a concern if you're sensitive to sound. Here's the thing though, while it does have some noise, it's not unbearable, and I think the convenience it offers during the day-to-day outweighs that factor. This juicer is perfect for you if you want a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle juicing, nut milk, and even sorbets. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact, as it does take up a bit of space on the counter. It's a solid investment for families or health enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something specifically designed for nut milk. Product number 2, Alphabot N2 Nut Milk Maker. Next up is the Alphabot N2 Nut Milk Maker, a dedicated machine for making all kinds of plant-based milks. At $77.77, it's definitely on the budget-friendly side. If you're on a mission to create creamy, homemade nut milk without additives, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Alphabot features a powerful motor with 10 stainless steel blades that blend and strain your nuts quickly, ensuring a smooth finish without grit or pulp. With a 35 Oz capacity, it's perfect for family use, allowing you to enjoy fresh homemade milk without preservatives. Plus, it has 5 modes for various milk types, making it versatile for your kitchen needs. Now, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to clean since it's not dishwasher safe. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about the quality of your nut milk, the slight extra effort in cleaning is worth it for the fresh taste you get. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly option for making nut milk at home. Skip this one if you prefer something that cleans up in a snap since it requires a bit more manual effort. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the cleaning hassle bothered you, this next product offers a different approach with easy maintenance. Product number 3, Canali C16 Cold Press Juicer. Then we have the Canali C16 Cold Press Juicer. Priced at $199.99, this machine is a bit of an investment, but it's one that could pay off for those who want high-quality nut milk and juice. If you want a multifunctional juicer that operates quietly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Canali features a 6-inch extra-wide feed chute, which means you don't need to chop your fruits and veggies. This saves you a ton of prep time. Plus, with a 90 Oz capacity, you can make large batches of nut milk or juice at once, perfect for families or meal prep. The Whisper Quiet motor operates at a mere 35 dB, so you can enjoy your morning routine without loud distractions. Now, some customers pointed out that it doesn't handle leafy greens as well as they'd hoped. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily focused on nut milk and juice, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a quiet, efficient machine that can handle both nut milk and juice. Skip this one if you're mainly looking for just nut milk, as its strength lies in versatility. It's a solid choice for serious health enthusiasts. Alright, that was impressive. But if you're looking for something that's beginner-friendly, let's check out the KIDISLE 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker next. Product number 4, KIDISLE 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. The KIDISLE 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker is next on our list. At $59.99, this machine is one of the more affordable options, and it's perfect for anyone looking to get into homemade nut milk. If you want an easy-to-use, multifunctional device for various beverages, this is worth a serious look. It's really user-friendly, which is great if you're new to making your own nut milk. The built-in heat preservation feature keeps your drinks warm for up to 2 hours, so you can enjoy them at the perfect temperature without needing to reheat. Some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to figure out the settings at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the range of functions makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile machine that's easy to operate. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced or if you're an experienced user wanting specific features. For the price, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if you want something with a larger capacity, let's talk about the Levatro Nut Milk Maker next. Product number 5, Levatro Nut Milk Maker. Finally, we have the Levatro Nut Milk Maker, a 12-in-1 machine that offers a lot of functionality for $129.99. If you want a high-capacity machine that can handle all your nut milk needs and more, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 50.73 Oz capacity, you can serve the whole family in one go. It also features a detachable glass jar for easy cleaning, and the auto-clean function saves you effort. The 12 automatic programs make it easy to create everything from nut milk to baby food without pre-soaking. Some reviews mention that it's a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, the trade-off for that size is the ability to make large batches, which is perfect for families. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, family-sized machine that offers multiple functions. Skip this one if you need something compact, as it does take up counter space. But for the features it provides, it's totally worth it. To wrap things up, we've seen a range of options from budget-friendly to high-performance machines. Whether you're a beginner or a health enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. So there you have it, the Ian Oru's juicer for versatility, the Alphabot N2 for budget-friendly simplicity, the Canali C16 for quiet efficiency, the Kidisle for beginners, and the Levatro for families. Each machine has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what features are most important for you. Happy nut milk making!